Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to perform the internal cleaning of the centrifugal pump. For this essential preventive maintenance, we'll be needing the following tools and materials. Specifically, combined wrenches in sizes 10, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. A ratchet wrench with an extension bar, 15 and 18 millimeter sockets, and a cleaning rag. The very first step is to begin by disassembling the side covers, the exhaust system, the flexible suction couplings, and then And now, we are going to carefully loosen and then proceed to rotate the flexible couplings that are part of the discharge pipe and assembly. In order to remove the pump casing with greater ease and convenience, it is crucial to first remove the fastening screws from the stationary engine and then carefully prop it up, as I will demonstrate for you in a moment. Alright, now we're going to loosen the screws and remove the housing of the centrifugal pump. To reassemble the pump casing, we'll first lubricate the O-ring seat with grease. Then we'll position the O-ring, the pump casing, and the securing screws, finally tightening the mold. Once the centrifugal pump has been firmly secured, we are able to remove the temporary support block positioned within the motor and then proceed with the thorough cleaning and proper lubrication of the channels of the flexible couplings. Now we can go ahead and reassemble all of the suction and discharge piping, and then we'll need to properly tighten up all of those flexible couplings and finalize the entire maintenance procedure. We will proceed to retighten the engine's mounting bolts and then reinstall the exhaust system and the side panels.